So hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to your own Facebook page. In today's video, we are back again with the easy peasy drawing series. So what we are teaching you here is, okay, even I was thinking for a while, but it's an elephant though. And I think he's bathing because he's having all those, what do you call them, yaar? God. Okay, whatever. He's bathing and that's it. He's having soap all over his body though. Okay, now moving forward, what we are making here is I really missed this drawing series though. So I'm just so happy that we are back with the drawing series, guys. Okay, I love these eyes. Yeah, whatever drawing you make, if you make these eyes, drawing is all yours. Okay, he's having, I think, a lot of mushroom and the things on his head. I don't know. Who can he be? He's having so much of the things on his head. It's a robot. Oh, it is a robot. See, you were not able to guess it either. Okay, so these are tides, yeah. That's how you make tides. And who doesn't know this? I know this. That could also be wind. Sorry. That's actually wind, yeah. Okay, that is not wind. Okay, I was wrong. Or I wasn't. I don't know. Okay, once we fill the colors, I'll tell you. Okay, so it is wind only, guys. And your bunnies are all done. Now, if you want to go to the moon, and I don't know for what reason, but if you want to go to the moon, the ladder is all yours. Take it and go. Okay, there's a mushroom on top of moon. My god, how creative you can be. You can make them, in your creative drawing competitions, as we all had a lot while we were in our schools. So yeah, you can actually make them. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, what are we making? Cactus. It looks like cactus, but I don't know if it is cactus. It is a cactus, yeah. And cactus are so nice. Once I bought one cactus toy for my brother and he's so happy. He's a very small child, yeah. And he's really happy. So cactus are really nice. You just have to change your perspective of seeing things, and he's looking happy also. Okay, moving forward, we are making a bunny. Who just don't know how a bunny looks? Guys, don't talk to me. Okay, now moving forward, I think he's having a very big flower in his hand, even bigger than his whole body. That is strange. Now take some different color of strips and fill the colors as we are. Okay, so oil pastels, we all have these oil pastels. So if you want to use them, just fill them the way shown here, because we had a lot when we were children. And trust me, the end part of the drawing will definitely amaze you. Now spread the color with the help of your fingers and done. Now all you have to do is with the marker make your what do you call it, yeah? Whatever, and done. So this one looking is a very nice scenery kind of a thing. You can actually make them and paste them in your homes, and yeah, ta-da. Done. So thank you for watching.